Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can export your contacts from ActiveCampaign, so let's get right into it. Now, ActiveCampaign is a service which is used for managing your marketing campaigns and expanding your business through marketing using all of its integrations and all of its services that it offers. You can create campaigns, keep track of contacts, deals, and make automations for any processes you might want, and you can also create your own website if you wanted to using its integrated website builder. Now, what you're going to do to export your contacts to import it to another place is to go into the contacts window. Now, to actually export them, you do need to have some contacts in your list. You will be automatically inserted into the list. However, you can add whichever contacts you would like and then export them for further implementation into other services. Now, to export your contacts, what you need to do, click on these three dots in the top right and then click on export. Once you click on export, you need to select a name, or rather you don't need to, but you should. You can just write whatever you want. It is optional, but you should do it. Then you can select the fields that you want to export. You can select the default fields, or you can select other fields if you want to. The default fields will be selected by default, and then you can select whichever other ones you would like. So for example, you can export the tags, the list, which is disabled when not filtering on a specific list. You can add custom fields, account, and scores if you want. And then once you're ready to export, you just click on the export button and the export will be started, and download will be available when the export is done. You can click here to view the progress of your export, and as you can see, it is exporting it in a couple of seconds. And because I don't have a large list, I have the contact list here, and all you have to do is just click on download and you'll download your exported list. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.